Hi guys, Jay here from Clearview, just doing a Y62 camera removal. What you have to do first is remove this glass. To do that, you got to go from the bottom, not the top, the bottom. Go inside here, in here, pop that out, and pull down. You've got two clips holding it in, don't go from the top. Then you got to remove this plug here. Using a smaller screwdriver tip, just go in between, prise it out. Remove this wire through. Undo this screw here. And this one here. Like so. Then you have a clip here. Just push that back. And pop your camera out the bottom, like so. Undo those two screws. Two. Pop it out. Remove this out the bottom of the mirror. Now you've got two screws here. Remove that and then put our adapter plate on top. What you also can do is mark your camera so you get the right orientation when you put it into our mirror. Thanks for your time.